Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of painting and building with Midwest Minis here. And today we'll be building some gargoyles. Won't be painting, but we will be building them. I already have two gargoyles built right here. They're the old minis of them. I already got them fitted and they're already done. I'm just going to set these to the side. What I'll be using today is just normal snips from Army Painter, just a small paring knife, and a lighter in case my glue dries, and I'll be using my glue. It's normal Citadel glue. So let's go ahead and get started. Just had to turn my fan off there. I was going to open it the other day, but right here. Okay. And no, I'm not using this for just doing that and using it for many things. Just it happened to be there. Okay. Come on. There we go. Now the box is opened and unsealed. Set everything to the side. I'm just painting some tyranny, well not painting, but building gargoyles. This is going to be the first of my videos. Painting, building. Oh man. Definitely sounded like something here broke earlier when I was doing this. Because I'm like, okay. So it comes with a bunch of flight stands. It just comes with 10 flight stands because it comes with 10 models. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Comes with 10 of these. Set these to the side. I'll deal with those last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where's that? Was I counted them wrong? I probably did. Ah, there it is. It, for some odd reason, flew over here. 10. Alright, so I'll just keep these to the side. I'm not really worried about using the instructions since they're fairly simple. Like, I'll go ahead and, like, one mini, like, it comes with this. Just one thing of the instructions. Not hard. So, set this to the side. So I'm probably gonna stop the video for a bit and just start painting these, snipping and getting stuff painted. Probably just do a time lapse because there's nothing really special about these. Like in the end, I'll probably stop and take a video of how many there are. Like I have 15 of them. I have 5 others. I've counting those 2 and 3 others. It's not hard. These instructions are super simple. They're nothing really big and fancy. Mainly, I would say the only fragile part on these is the bases. Like, these things are built like bricks. And this comes with 3 screws. I'm not even worried about the instructions. I already know I'd build them. And it just comes with instructions. It just makes 10 gargoyles. They're super cheap units. Pretty sure now they're like 15 points a model. I have no idea, to be honest. So, let's go ahead and get them painted. So now that I got it, I decided just to go ahead and just go on ahead and just do this. Just finish up, just clipping everything out basically. Besides the guns, which I'll probably just do out of video. They're all the same, to be honest. I think there's 3 variations of models in this whole set. Like, I kind of kept them separate. Like, there's 4 of these ones. I have a kitty in my room again, and there's 1 of these. Oh, my bad, 2 of these. There's 2, 3, and 5. So, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and start putting on the wings. That should be the easiest part of it all. So, let's get winged. Alright everyone, so I went ahead and put all the wings on everyone. Some of the guys have heads, some of the guys don't. That's for a reason. The reason is because I want to have some guys have straight heads, some guys have different kind of heads, some guys have moved heads, some guys have pointy gunned heads. So to be honest, all I have left is these, and this will be done in like maybe 15 minutes just by clipping them all out and putting them on, which is going to be a pain because I have 10 of these things to do. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, just to make my life easier, I'm just going to go ahead and end the video here. And just end the video and come back, all these guys put together and pointy and powerful and doing gargoyle things. Probably even have these guys in the picture and my other ones to show how many I have. So anyway guys, I'm going to go and get off here then. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, join my Patreon if you'd like, it's up to you. You just get more content like this, you would get a lot more building videos, at least. That's why you haven't really gotten any much. Like, I'll go ahead and give a little small sneak peek of what I'll be doing next time. I already have it. I will be painting these guys, some little Tau guys. I think these are fire warriors. I'm pretty sure they're Tau fire warriors. I'll be painting 3 of those. It's not going to be hard. It's going to be a simple color scheme. I'm probably never going to paint these guys on the video. I'm sure it'd be cool. If I do, it'll be one of them, because they're a lot, and they're not mine, technically. They're a friend's I'm doing for a commission work. But to be honest, it probably won't even be this one. It'll probably be the other one. There's actually 3 of them. 2 of them I'm just going to do on the side, and that's about it. So, well, thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys back in the next video.